What's up YouTube, it's Angel back with another video today. Today I look a hot mess, okay? So I'm just trying to get right into what this video is about, and that is how I made $1,000 on eBay and how you can do the same thing. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to find your products and post them for sale. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so what we're going to do is go onto watchcount.com. I'm going to type that in the search bar. And this is basically a website to show you what's most popular on eBay and who's watching what items the most. So I'm going to type in unicorn makeup bag, and you're going to scroll down here. Now there's 1,000 people watching this item, so that's about a good amount of people. This is, I can't see how much, like $9 and something, $9.59. So what we're going to do now, we're going to have to find out where they got this product from. But I already know they probably got this from AliExpress. You can see 13 people watched this in the last 24 hours, so there's people that are buying this every day. They sold over 600 items, so this is going to be a good item for us to piggyback off of them and sell as well. So we're going to go on aliexpress.com and we're going to type in the unicorn makeup brush. And we're going to scroll until we find the one similar to the one we have on eBay. And this looks like the same one. It's 10 pieces. It's the same shade of purple, and it's cheaper than what they're selling it for on the eBay account. So this could probably be where they're getting the product from. So what we're going to do for this, you would usually screenshot all of the pictures that they have on there, but for the sake of time, in this video, I just screenshotted 2 pictures. And the reason you want to screenshot their pictures is because these are already considered the winning pictures that have caught customers' attention and made them want to purchase this product. So we're going to piggyback off of them and screenshot all their pictures, and we will be copying their caption so that we can use all of this when we post our item for sale. And basically what we're doing is, like I said, the method of piggybacking, and we're going to be drop shipping. Drop shipping is when you're selling items that you don't physically have in your home. You're getting them from a vendor like AliExpress, and you never have to physically touch the product. When someone orders it, you're just going to go on AliExpress and send it to the customer for them, and then you're going to keep the profit, because as you can see, they're selling it for more than AliExpress, only making a couple dollars. But if they sold over 600 items, that couple dollars has definitely added up over time. And of course, they're selling other products as well. So what we're going to do now is we're scrolling down to go copy the caption, like I said. And now we're going to click this Sell Now button, and that's basically going to copy all of this information, all the details about the makeup brushes for us, so that we don't have to start from scratch. And also, when other people go to look at this product, they'll be able to see our listing, and they'll also see that our listing is a little bit cheaper than theirs, so they're probably going to come over to ours if they do notice it. We're going to go find the pictures that we just screenshotted, and you're going to upload all of them. The more pictures you have, the better. And whatever is their main photo, you want that to be your main photo. And whatever it says right there, you can just accept it. Just details of the brush to help people find it. And here's where you put your description that you copied from them. And if you are drop shipping from AliExpress, I do recommend adding in the bio how long the shipping will probably take. I like to make it big and bold and in red so there's no confusion. Now, if you don't want to have your customers waiting that long, you can try and find products from somewhere like Walmart or Home Depot. Those are great places to also drop ship from. And here's where you add your price. Now you want to make it a little bit lower than theirs, even if it's only a couple cents. So we're going to make it for $9.50, which is going to be 9 cents less than the original post. And we're still going to be making a profit, so that's all that matters. You put in your quantity, I forgot to do that. I put it as 10 business days, so that their estimated time of arrival will probably even out, since it'll almost even out for when they'll be expected to get their package. So yeah, that's basically it. This is how you piggyback off of someone on eBay and dropship. You can do this with any niche. After you do all this, you would just list the item, and then when you start making sales, you go on AliExpress and send out the item for them.